Best places to visit in Estonia. Tallinn, medieval charm and modern sophistication. Tallinn, the capital of Estonia, is a city where medieval architecture seamlessly blends with a modern and vibrant atmosphere. The Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, features cobblestone streets, medieval towers, and well-preserved merchant houses. Toompea Castle, Alexander Nevsky Cathedral, and the Town Hall Square showcase Tallinn's rich history. The city's dynamic culture, innovative tech scene, and captivating maritime ambience make it a must-visit destination. Tartu, university town and cultural hub. Tartu, Estonia's second-largest city, is a lively university town with a rich cultural scene. The University of Tartu, founded in 1632, adds an academic charm to the city. Explore the Tartu Old Town with its vibrant cafes and historic buildings, visit the Estonian National Museum, and enjoy the bohemian atmosphere of the Karlova district. Tartu's youthful energy and cultural offerings make it a delightful destination. Saaremaa, Serene Island Retreat. Saaremaa, the largest island in Estonia, is a serene retreat known for its unique landscapes and historical sites. Kuressaare Castle, a well-preserved medieval fortress, stands at the heart of the island. The Kaali Meteorite Crater, a rare geological formation, and the Panga Cliff with its stunning views of the Baltic Sea add to Saaremaa's natural allure. The island's peaceful atmosphere and spa resorts make it a perfect escape. Pärnu, Baltic Sea resort and artistic hub. Pärnu, a charming resort town on the Baltic Sea, is celebrated for its sandy beaches and vibrant cultural scene. The Pärnu Beach Promenade, with its historic pier and beachside cafes, is a popular spot. The Pärnu Museum and the Endler Theatre contribute to the town's artistic vitality. Pärnu's lively summer events, including the Pärnu Film Festival, attract visitors seeking a blend of relaxation and cultural experiences. Jandi, Castle Hill and folk music capital. Jandi, a small town with a rich cultural heritage, is known for its medieval castle ruins and vibrant folk music scene. The Viljandi Castle Hills provide panoramic views of the surrounding lakes and forests. The annual Viljandi Folk Music Festival attracts musicians and enthusiasts from around the world, showcasing the town's commitment to preserving its cultural traditions. Absolu, Castle and Seaside Resort. Absolu, a charming seaside town, is known for its historic castle and healing mud baths. The Absolu Castle, with its picturesque surroundings, hosts cultural events and concerts. The promenade, lined with wooden houses, offers scenic views of the Baltic Sea. Absolu is famous for its mud baths, believed to have therapeutic properties, attracting wellness seekers to this coastal retreat. Rakvere, Castle and Modern Adventure. Rakvere, with its medieval castle and modern attractions, provides a unique blend of history and adventure. The Rakvere Castle, dating back to the 13th century, offers immersive historical experiences and events. The Akva Hotel and Water Park, featuring saunas and water slides, adds a contemporary touch to the town. Rakvere's dynamic approach to preserving history while embracing modern amenities makes it an intriguing destination.